I've got a rare Singer model 9W. The serial number is 3131681. There is no W in front of the serial number like the others had. So I'm not exactly sure how old it is. Dates anywhere, I guess, from 1906 to 1912. Decals are pretty good. There's some wear here. If it looks familiar, it's because it's a rebadged Wheeler Wilson. This was when Singer bought Wheeler Wilson. So a lot of the parts are right off of a D9 model. But it has a Singer badge here. It's been serviced and is in full functioning order. Basically, I'm just going to show you how well it works. I've got 4 layers of denim. We're stitch ones for photo used in the ad. It's a treadle machine. The bobbin winder hits the treadle cord. There's no hub for a motor or anything like that, so it has to be in a treadle application. And these spin backwards from the normal machines, or not normal, but most of the common machines. I'm doing a full speed stitch too. Full speed stitch test, and that's when you can tell whether or not it's going to skip stitches or break threads, because running at slow speeds you don't really run into those problems. Let's see if we can get a view of the red. You can see on the back that all the threads are good. The red's a little hard to tell now that I got this thing in focus. But you can see from the rear threads, the whites, that they were, none of them are missed. And no broken threads. And there you have it.